Good morning everyone. I am Naveen Yadav from Source School. Today we are learning about topic coal and petroleum. Our topic is coal. Okay. What is coal? Coal mainly contain carbon. What it mainly contain? Carbon. And we use coal to get energy. That is in the form of heat. So we get heat from burning of coal. Okay. And coal mainly contains carbon. It also contains small amount of some other elements like sulfur, hydrogen, etc. But mainly contain carbon. Okay. So how are coal formed? Everyone know coal are formed from plants. Today I will tell you about that process. That process is known as carbonization. The process by which coal is formed is known as carbonization. Millions of years ago, plants and trees they get buried under soil. The lots of soil get above it and it buried deep under the soil. The pressure of the soil and the temperature of the earth convert the plants and animals in plants and trees into coal. These plants and trees convert into coal due to the pressure of soil and heat due to the core of the earth, and this process is known as carbonization process. Okay, so by this process coal is formed. Now coal is used in many works, like they use, first of all they used to cook foods. Nowadays also they are used to cook foods. They are used by railways before to get move the engines. Now they are mainly used in power plants to get energy. In hydropower plants coal is used to get energy and to convert that energy into electricity. Now what we do, we mainly do a destructive distillation of the coal. The process is known as destructive distillation. In destructive distillation, we heat coal at a high temperature. We heat coal at a high temperature. It convert the coal into different parts. The different parts we get about what the destructive after destructive distillation of coal are coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coke, first of all, coke. Coke is purely made up of carbon. It mainly contains carbon, so it is a good fuel. It is used as a fuel to get heat. Second, coal tar. Coal tar contain many different types of compound in it. It is used in different things, like for example making explosive, paints, etc. It even used in making roads. Okay, so coal tar contain many compounds which used differently. Now coal gas. Coal gas is a gas formed. It can be further burned. It mainly contains carbon monoxide gas which can be further burned to get energy. So coal gas is used as a fuel in industries. It mainly used in industries as a fuel to get heat. Okay. Hope you understand that today's topic coal. Thank you.